Hi, hello. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Arpita. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Prakash. My name is Rohan Singh Pawar. What is your favorite teacher? What is your favorite color? Bye. Sure. What is your color? Favorite color? My favorite color is orange and pink. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your mother name? My mother name is Sunita. What is your father name? My father name is Krishnadev. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish is puram poli. What is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Sipal teacher. What is your father name? My father name is Krishna. What is your mother name? My mother name is Swati. Samya.
चर्चा करायची नाही मागा.
What is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Yas Patil sir and Sarkar. What is your sister name? Pranay. What is your brother name? My brother name is Hanuman. What is your sister name? My sister name is Trishala, Monica and Anuradha. What is your brother name? My brother name is Om. Bye. Bye. How are you? Good morning. What is your name? My name is Madhura. What is your brother name? What is your brother name?
Okay.
What do you do? I am doing Nimbanga. What is your favorite teacher? What is your name? My name is Aradhya. What? I live in Ganga.
इकडे ऑफिस.
My brother name is Gomtesh. What is your favorite color? Sky blue. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite dish? Kachori. Bye.